slide.
Boo, booka, booka, booka. Yo. Yo, what up, my beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back. Note briefly, my throat is a bit hoarse, so I hope you guys understand. Okay, so I've noticed something about Mr. Stanin here. I've realized that he releases a beatbox every month because I was like gonna roast him, but yeah, I understand now. So guys, we're gonna react to Stanin. Let me see. Royal. So this is his latest track and I'm excited for this one. I know he'll kill this beat because I know he's capable. So I'm from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well he'll display this beat and toast. Take a walk with me.
You don't want to get to know me. Better, closer. Girl, you gotta take it slow. Babe, I know you wanna dance tonight, so put it on me and slide, slide, slide. Your beautiful body tonight, it's a beautiful slow to a slide.
Book, booka, 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 book. Yo, hey, hey. Alright, okay. This is freaking marvelous. Yo, bro, it's killing it, man. It's killing it.
Slide, slide. I wanted to, I fall into all I need. Just want to see. I wanted to, I fall into all I need. Just want to see. You don't want to
Ain't no freaking way, bro.
get to know me. One look is enough. For you is enough.
Hey. He's certified. The best beatboxer I've heard in my entire life, bro. This is just so superbly natural, dog. Trust me, bro. He's killing it. Yo. Ain't no freaking way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
Better closer. Girl, you gotta take it slow. Slow. Hey, I know you wanna come tonight, so put it on me and slide, slide, slide. Baby, you're beautiful body tonight.
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no freaking way. Yo, the way he just... Yo, that's dope, bro. That's freaking awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. I know he can do it, bro. He's always surprising, bro. To be honest, he never fails. He never fails. He's always this great, bro. Yo, there's no beat there, bro. It's just all natural, bro. Damn, bro. This is superb.
It's beautiful, soldier, sliced, spiced, slide. Babe, I know you wanna come tonight, so put it on me and slide, slide, slide. Baby, you're beautiful tonight. It's a beautiful soul to a slide.
Booka. Yo, this is so good, dog. Yo, this is so good, bro. Taras, you are killing it, bro. You are, ain't no freaking way. Ain't no way. I couldn't hold it. I have to just pass, bro. Trust me. What the, bro?
Slide, slide. I wanted to fall into all I need. Just want to see. I wanted to fall into all I need. Want to see.
Bro. Yo, the end of this is so cool, bro. Yo, I gotta say. Yo, guys, look. Taras, bro. You've killed it again. You've done it. A masterpiece. Trust me. Guys, look, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. A mad move.